welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a plan with me using this kit by Saucy Stickers Co. And we went through it very quickly. So right now I'm just gonna lay down the base and I'm gonna play some music while we're laying down the base, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about the plans themselves. Okay, so we are back starting this plan with me, and I want to just kind of talk about what I did in the right hand corner, or excuse me, the left hand corner, where I marked the month, because I guess when I was editing, I might have kind of edited that part out. So basically what I did is those flourishes, they came off of a journaling, two-page journaling kind of kit from Rose and Tea Shop. And I just, as you can see, I just placed them down and then I layered over top some sparkles from Honey Inked. And then in the middle, that April script is just a script that I created myself. So now this kit, this is actually my first time using a kit from Saucy Stickers Co. And you were able to choose between either rose gold or gold. So I did choose it in gold. I think it would have been beautiful in either foil. But I just felt like that a lot of the kits that I had been purchasing recently were mostly in rose gold, so I wanted to get something different. But when I first started planning this spread, I started using rose gold foil, and then I basically had finished Monday and realized that this was supposed to be in gold, so I had to take it all up and start over. But for Monday, I'm just marking, typical coffee Monday. That Monday, I had, what was it? I had marinated a roast. Hold on. I gotta look back because I don't even remember at this point. Yeah. I had a pork roast, and so I had marinated it that Sunday, the night before, and I put it in the slow cooker so that it could slow cook all day for Sunday, and then we would have it to eat for dinner. Excuse me, all day Monday, so we would have it to eat for dinner. I had a meeting at work, so I used this flat lay from Papershire. I don't use a lot of flat lays, but I felt like this was a great spread to kind of bring it in. I felt like the colors would go. And then I marked at the bottom, I used the desktop from White Deer Stationery to mark that I canceled my Planning World sub, and I just cut off, I took the little botanicals and cut off the edge and just put it in, make it like it was part of the screen. So on Tuesday, work again, and then we watched the Atlanta United game that evening when I got home with my husband. And I sat and I was trying to design. As I've said before, I work at a kidney clinic, a dialysis clinic, and I'm trying to do something for my patients to encourage them. So I actually have a silhouette. So I was trying to work on designing some stickers. So when they do good with the coming to all their treatments, and when they do good with, you know, taking their medications, you know, encouraging them by providing them with, you know, like a sticker, like a job well done kind of thing. And so I was working on designing that. And then later that evening, I got my hair done the previous week, and my scalp was just really itchy. So my husband oiled it for me. I asked him to oil my scalp, and that finishes up Tuesday. So Wednesday, I started off by marking a call. I had actually gotten basically I was offered a transfer, and so I'm still in the process, I guess, of deciding, gaining more information about the transfer to see if it's something that I want to do. It would cut down on my commute, which is something that I'm definitely interested in. But you know, there's a lot of different things that come in with the transfer. I've gotten to know my patients, and I do like my patients, so I'm still kind of on the fence. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do on that. So also with Wednesday, I FaceTime my cousin, just to kind of talk with her and catch up about things that were going on, you know, in the family. I stopped by Publix to get some things for dinner, and then we had our weekly session with the girls doing Zoom. I like that this kit had like a lot of different types of boxes. She designed it like they all have different designs on them. I know a lot of people are getting into like adding a lot of designs to your actual boxes. Sometimes that's okay. Sometimes it's, you know, a little much. But I did like how this box that I marked with the FaceTime family, it just has that one simple line. So you could either use it up, like you'll see me do later on in the spread, or you could use it down, just kind of like underlining. So I liked it like that in this section. So moving on to the rest of the week, this is Thursday. I'm using some of the new icons from Christine's Paper Studio. By the time this video goes up, her shop will be closed because she just completed the Made in Canada collab sale. So her shop will be closed. She's going to be closed for most of May because she is a ready-to-ship shop. And so she takes some time off to try to get her shop back up. But those icons are new to her shop. They're very, very cute. I really like those. So this Thursday, it wasn't a lot going on. It was the end of the month, so I had to do a lot of reports, kind of like not necessarily reports, but making sure all my data was correct for the reports that would generate for the end of the month. So going in, entering in data, making sure that data was correct. And so that evening, I had Zoom with the girls again. Sometimes we like to have multiple Zooms in a week, and it's nice to talk to other people who enjoy the same hobbies that I do. So Friday, I used this another sales sticker from Letters to Apollo. I believe what was this? Ceci from My Spoil Planner. She had a sale, and she released this beautiful kit that could be a wedding kit or an anniversary kit. And so when I saw it, I was just like, you know what? I'm going to hold off on planning my anniversary week. So that's kind of why we actually skipped a week in the Plan With Me's. I uploaded the Plan With Me last week for my anniversary, but I did it in my Happy Planner. So once I get that kit from Saucy, I will go back and plan this week in my Aura Estelle. But that Friday, I picked up my daughter from school. Typically, I drop her off. My husband picks her up. But if something happens where he needs to do something, then I'll pick her up. So that was one of those days. And then that afternoon, we just watched TV, just did some binge watching. The TV sticker that you're going to see me lay down in a little bit is from Rose and Tea Shop, and it's one of my favorites. I really do like their icons. That Zoom sticker that you see on Thursday is from Rose and Tea as well. They're just really, really cute. I feel like I want to do a video on like some of my favorite stickers, just to kind of showcase, you know, the ones that I really like. Anyway, that TV would be in that video because I just like that TV. It's just cute. You know, I just like it. I do. So moving on to Saturday, like a typical Saturday, I slept in. But for most of Saturday, I spent most of the time recording my Plan With Me, and I think editing as well, my Plan With Me, because I was trying to go ahead and get it uploaded. I had kind of been in a slump. Like, I just wasn't really feeling planning. Like, even when I would get on Zoom, I would just kind of just be there talking and not like actually using my planner. So what I took time to clean my office, because that was major as far as why I was not feeling it. When my space is not clear and it has stickers and everything just thrown everywhere around it, it really makes it hard for me to focus. So I really should have put clean office up at the top, but the spacing worked for it to be at the bottom. So I did clean my office, and that helps me to be able to sit down and, you know, go ahead and film like I needed to. This was also the new releases for Birch and Birdie. So she's a shop that I PR for as well, and I will put all of my PR codes in the description box. But she had new releases. So Jen has always been doing kits, and so she released 2 new kits. But something new that she did this time is she released kits in the Hobonichi cousin size. And so I know a lot of people are starting to use the Hobonichi cousin, but there weren't a lot of kits that actually fit that planner size. So if you're looking for Hobonichi cousin kits, check out my girl Birch and Birdie. So it is birchandbirdie.com, and don't forget to use my code CocoLux15. Like I said, I'll put it down in the description box. Okay. And then at the bottom where I marked hello, well, actually, I don't even know if I put it there yet. Yeah, I did. Okay. The Hello May script is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. I got a she was doing a Misfit grab bag sale, and so I got one in each color, rose gold, gold, and silver. And so those stickers came in there. They were pretty much perfect. Like, there were some things that you could, you know, see was wrong with the foiling, but they were still really usable. So if she has another grab bag sale, I say don't hesitate to get it. Sunday, my family, we try to do, you know, like we try to get together and have a meal, usually once a week or every other week. So we had a brunch this Sunday for all of us to get together. Then my daughter had a soccer game, and she had a goal, so that was a good day. I cooked dinner and of course watched some more TV. We decided to watch, what is that? The original Mortal Kombat. That's what we did. So this plan with me is over. As you can see, I'm going through the spread, just showing you, saw all of the finished touches that I did. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later.